Well, Daddy has to help you open it.
Oh God, this hurts. Oh, my bum. I'll do it. Ah.
You might need the scissors to help open up the other thing.
Oh my.
They're open.
Is that your teddy bear? Oh my! An egg, another egg, another egg, painting can, pretty dress. Okay, another pretty dress. Oh, that's a shirt. And a book. I think you got.
What's the egg, Drew?
I wonder what these are in these eggs.
You guys have to open the eggs. You gotta open the eggs.
Dad, can help me open the eggs? There's three. First one. Shirt. Oh, please, not another egg. 3 eggs. Yep, there's 3 eggs. That's great.
All right, open the eggs now, please. Ashley, open them down here.
Yeah, I need help.
All right, Craig, open it down here.
Sweet. Done. Sweet. Oh, and so
Open the rest of the eggs, please.
Huh?
Open the rest of the eggs, please.
I will. Yes. Is this for Easter or something?
Oh.
Please get this tape out of here. Candy. Okay. That's egg number 1.
Ashley, move towards Drew so I can do both of you.
Egg number 2. I have 2 green ones. I don't want behind you. I know.
Get the scissors.
Once I cut it, that's shock. Piece of a craft. What's this? Oh, a stunt ribbon. Pez, an M&M. Oh.
Get the scissors.
Chicken fill, a lot of things.
Open the other egg then. Ashley, you get your brother the scissors. He's a moron. Out of the way, out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. What's in it?
Underwear.
Underwear? Do you need underwear?
Probably.
Why do you need underwear?
Some coins. Tiny tan. Ah! It's Humphrey!
Oh. Awesome.
They're still good.
Okay.
I don't think that's what
How about the other? Now you gotta open the other one.
I wasn't expecting that.
Dude. I'll clean that up. Get out of there now.
Easter egg, honey.
Drewy. Open up yours.
Hello.
Ashley has them. Do you want some help?
Yes. I think you need scissors for this. How do you be safe and
Here, Drew.
yeah, look at move it in. What's this big box in front of us?
It's empty.
Travis. Travis. Okay, I got it open.
Drew, turn so I can see you.
Little hamster. Well, money. That's it. What? And more and underwear.
You too? Underwear? Oh,
This.
brother. What's up with the underwear?
Because I know it's underwear.
Nana likes underwear.
Oh, I have like other pieces of underwear.
You have to. What are you gonna do with them all?
I don't know. Give them away to poor people.
Why? You can wear them, can't you?
Well, then little. Not that much. Seriously. Open this, please. Okay, I'm gonna try to leave them. I'll get some of my end.
Here. Go over there. I'll help you guys. I'm gonna show you what to do in a second. Just leave it. Are you going swimming?
No. Yes. Well, I'm going swimming today.
Yeah, we can swim a little now.
But what about my homework?
Do it after.
I love this. Yeah. And I love this dress. No, that's not the dress. I love this dress.
You love that dress?
Oh, candy. Yummy. Candy.
Don't eat it now,
My
please.
stuff back in the box.
I'll tell you what to do in a minute.
Take off the steps. Can I make a cat? Cat. We should puffs.
Don't leave that cup on the floor. Wait, what do you say to Nana?
Thank you, Nana.
Come on. Go ahead.
Thank you, Nana.
Joey.
Thank you, Nana.
And who else lives with Nana?
Papa. And Papa.
Joey, go sit up there and eat that. Then go. Go.